My name is SHASHIDHAR, branch AIDS. My startup company is Pivot Technology. Product present name is DSLR camera. Product proposal name is ProPixel Snapmaster. Mentoring some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one with AI affected lens with 100x zoom compressor size with high quality pictures. Second one, manufacturing techniques that result in smaller and lighter. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is DSLR camera. Futuristic product name Pro Pixel Snapmaster. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, AI feature should be added. Second one, with 100x zoom feature should be added. Third one, more quality lens are added. Fourth, give more storage in the camera. Prototype. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.